Introducing the Brother DCP-L2640DW, a wireless compact monochrome multifunction laser printer designed for small businesses. This 3-in-1 device combines a laser printer, scanner and copier in one compact footprint. Experience high-quality black and white prints with impressive print speeds up to 36 ppm. Efficient scanning with speeds of 23. 6/7, 9 IPM and a 50-page order document feeder for multi-page tasks. Enjoy flexible connectivity options with built-in dual-band wireless, Ethernet and USB interface. Manage your printer on the go with the Brother Mobile Connect app, offering print, scan and supply tracking. Ensure optimal performance with Brother Genuine TN830 or TN830XL replacement toner. Never run out of toner with the Refresh EZ Print subscription service. If you're ready to get yours today, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you smash that like button.